Today.
Right off the bat, I noticed they've only filled the bottle up to here, so you've got this much headspace in there, and I'm not a big fan of that. So, Greg Cook out of Stone, the CEO, you step up to the plate and get that headspace where it needs to be here. About an inch or so at the top of the bottle, not all the way down to the bottom of the neck. That's way too much space, and I'm getting robbed here. You're shortchanging me out of a sip of beer here, and I don't like it. All right, guys, let's get on with this one.
I don't care. I don't care. Everybody, I don't care. I don't. He does not care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't. He does not care. I don't care. I'm happy-go-lucky. Women call me plucky. I don't care. I don't care. I don't. He does not care. I don't care. Look out, Hank Mancini. Here comes Eeny Meeny. I don't care. One more time. No! I don't care. I don't. Shut up. I don't. We hate you. I don't care. I don't care. Bing, bing, bing. Zoom, zoom, zoom.